Abuja, Yama Koba and Fambra B Sports TV so. Magajo was exclusive any latest in Yana Albaniano. What you see, Messi Oyas could do shows Pampanampa. What you see, Pampanampas could do shows. Na and common in your fedia agro, Miss Okachunia, none of some country near. And so on subscribe to our YouTube channel. Na latest near exclusive Diana Betu channel. Yamfa and Kano neighbor go straight away and commanded us upon Alaji Grusa Akasa Akache journalists, radio station presenters, be said. Sports presented, be said, Masa, one sound come back to a school. Or the one among Alaji Grusa, then come out crab with you out the Aba. Then a journalist from the Kubisana, Alaji Grusa, at to be manual. Only say, and Chebiana, a Ghana, and Puti team, the Black Challenge for the Kowini Afcon by Yamin Chad in there, Momukosia, Minister of Youth and Sports, Mr. Mustafa Yusuf, Quincy could be a PM, and Groffonum Huabede. The Black Stars of Ghana, the Amon Komaka credit baba. Messi the Black Stars and Komaka credit baba. Now the Black Stars of Ghana reports before baba. I say the Minister of Youth and Sports, Omo resist KB. Skabe no me raise. Hey Ghana, yet the papa you didn't Komaka credit baba. If you are, I don't come also then for the agreement. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe, mom says yeah, subscribe Mia, mame. Messi and Kupon Shan on your case and to say Uncle Shan, Messi Danny Dinan. Oh yeah, pampanas could do shows. Hey, Messi then pampanas could do shows. Could do shows pampanampa. And Uncle Pusha on your case here. Young go straight to the details. And when you best here, Kojon Kansan Lowen, Kojon Kansan Lowen, after saying New Biasa sign and Abrantia no Onya Quenya and Canfama, New Biasa United. And then Yamencha the Abrantia Dini, Kojon Kansan Lowen. And then when Japan Penifo Yusuno with Sakanima, a New Biasa United, or making a debut against Unistar Academy, but New Biasa United we need by 2-0. Abrantia and Dean Isaac Minta. A 35 minutes go, any 38 minutes go. I don't say, you know, Abrantia and the Dean Kojon Kansan Lowen. After saying New Biasa United for signing on net, or making a debut. Any Mabu Quantini, a New Biasa United. Abramochi Unistar Academy. A bomb I come in one more end to me and Simu at a braca. Every imagine it for MTNF Cup drawn about Crobia commercial some take or run of 64. Anibu Quantini came Faisa and a very in terms of Sinipa Mame, Korokoni came Faisa, Evo Kumasi Babayan Sports Stadium. We exclusive MTNF Cup run of 64. House of Folk, any Accra Lions, very in terms of and the big teams no Omen do Fandabi, almost yes your mom. Omusieso mu Ghana Premier League no Koroko ebebo Ken Faisa na House of Folk abo Lions me say exclusive in the latest in the ba enti kacho ni no so nka ntwe ni a B Sports TV exclusive in the latest no ye de beba ye mawra Alhaji Grusa kache won e bankro ba e de mabo kwandin ere eye Ken Faisa tieni pa mame onisa na sentem Chromia Kumasi Azamterko ene Ken Faisa the win term so our the Ghana Premier League ama Ken Faisa we need by 3-2. Na enumu ene betoja asa Ken Faisa play Abranti and Din ade eye Mauli eye wanyo e betoja se Razak Abelua sebe o Sibirim e bona sumpa enumu na ene ukopima mame first station into the mame first station no edin entuja Vision 1 FM in Penifo and as a sports presenters no, in an interview with Alhaji Grusa. And I'm saying, Alhaji, now you just say, no, player, Abrante, why you the two just say, and Ras Kablu Bonasum Kakrana, and no, it's a for considering, and Alhaji.
And what Jimmy Pa, we are talking, Woman, my low players, yeah, no player. Yeah, confess that you got the one that you come out with the player. Me no usiri ho ana usiri me
Alhaji mitio
incident ni se no atia se incident ni se na omubisa na Alhaji to be mani omo as a visual presenter sports presenter almost sound school back oh Alhaji one
co journalism school jaye un kanya sesam kura wosere wo ho ana wosere me ani dan wo na wo ye no
oh that be Alhaji me no di nkomo on say me no di nkomo on a game me no di nkomo on a
they quoted Alhaji say you are very foolish, you are a liar. I say you are very foolish, you are a liar. You face you and Alhaji ana you as a penny no that's yesero obetime the passion kakra dia babon say because journalist for no man no be mu football na echi o man kan enso enye yes anti Alhaji ndem otutu bi e de mane eye journalist for ehun komo so no enye fediagro Rafi Daniel Lai ya mona baso ara afcon betu dwa o Cameroon nyame adoma eye next year January no papa na ya tonsa ya friend the Confederation of Africa Football tonsa e de afre Rafi Daniel Lai as an body boso into ombra beginim na on to try them m1t yes let's say referee no kloma no sebe omunsua omunhwe na almost that thing that bia no bi badwin say referee no di organ say that be referee Daniel Lai na kwenya ba no nti no omso omunsua this referee na embona bia so etime ekọ enkan nti yembo referee Daniel Lai abaso as a with me abo fantastic jogger wono so abu am bia so etime ekọ nkan e wo hono unim say nche bia e na Ghana puti team na kwaje AFCON Tanzania omni bubu kwendin e de Liberia de rentam so esom 3-2 eji eye dwumedi endisi om na so report ni en team no ekoshia Minister of Youth and Sports ba report ebobo ba anu se mpenifo esom be ma each player bia eye $200,000 US dollars and the player is bia no $200,000 US dollars and the players no no na yen komo akrekre ba ebubu fi Ghana amputi team na omo etumi eko South Africa then the South Africa here omo cause Tanzania etumi ekokoje eye AFCON edition na so ntino Ghana amputi for no omo ho aye de papa or say the Minister of Youth and Sports has rewarded members of the amputee national team, the Black Challenge, with a $2,000 US dollars each for winning the amputee. You know, boys no more aye there a 2,000 and the yambo mabaso as a bridge man in Bedefoso Ashama or my mom's country. Boys no more aye there papa exclusive boy fee. Ghana Football Association, I said the Blaster Sakachi Bani say Honorable Mustafa Yusuf Eliabetuga as the Minister of Youth and Sports has managed to raise $2 million to support the Black Stars ahead of the 2021 Africa Cup of Nations now Ebetuga a Cameroon into Yammo Mabaso as a Ometimiabua, raise $200 million as a woman Edebua, Nabi Biasono, H. Come say exclusive no any latest Niniano, Hanumani Edeba, we know a Jasu, ye Babimu, Nabia Sweet Mia Conca, bottoms any bois, Nabi Biasu Mia Conca, say, we just could do just Pampanampa, Yakubu shot the right commentating in the exclusive year betu from Yanesi and Fan Cano. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, na latest Niniano, Unyana Biasu into Mia Conca.